we got a volcano. We're gonna build your own volcano.
Want to see me?
Oh, you want to see yourself?
Yeah.
Say hi, vlog.
Hi.
What are we making today?
A volcano.
Are you excited? I mean, she wanted to copy me. Come here, let's show everybody. Cheese. With your dirty mirror. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's do this project.
Hi guys.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Alright, let's continue this. So we need to make the mold of the volcano. So let's get this.
Let's get this.
Snap it together. Alright, it's getting to a thick consistency. So now we're gonna pour it into the volcano mold. And then it says here that we have to let it sit for 30 to 45 minutes.
And Jayla opening this.
And Jayla's gonna open that. It's a citric acid, but we're not going to use that yet, okay?
Okay. Whoa!
Oh no, it's seeping out! What are we gonna do?
I don't know.
Okay, hold on 1 second, guys. We need to reevaluate this. Alright, I think I figured it out. It was just a little bit too runny, so I added more plaster to make it thicker. So hopefully this will stay in the mold and not really leak out as much. Oh yeah, this is way better.
Way better?
Mm-hmm. What was that for?
I don't know. Mama, look at this.
Where?
All the way up.
Oh yeah, that's right. Alright, yay, it worked.
It worked.
Okay, so we're just gonna have this sit for 30 to 45 minutes. Yeah. Look at that.
The camera. To go and painting, la 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 paint, and I love you and love forward, la 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 la. Hey everybody, today. Hey everybody, today.
Why isn't it coming out? Oh, okay. Okay.
Take a firecracker. It's only supposed to bubble.
Oh.
Volcano eruption.
Yay!
There's our volcano, guys.
Yay! Wow! Thanks for watching. Bye.
Hey guys! Say hi everyone!
Hi everyone.
Today,
Today,
what are we making? We're making a red velvet cake. She's been asking to make a red velvet cake ever since we had red velvet cupcakes from Tootie Baker. Very local in San Jose, I think. Super bomb. You liked it, huh, Jayla? I ate the last one and she was looking for it and I was like, oh my god, I feel so bad, but they were so good. Let's get started.
hi everybody.
What do we need?
Eggs.
How many eggs?
1, 2, 3. Mommy, can we have some of this?
It's not cooked yet.
No, but I have some electric.
I mean, go ahead, why not? You could try. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
So what have you guys been doing during quarantine? We've just been hanging out, baking, playing. I've been doing makeup looks. I'm trying to homeschool Jayla, but it's a little hard.
Yeah.
Did you do it?
Yeah.
Good job, baby. Make sure the shell doesn't go inside. There you go. Good job. You want to do the other one?
No, you do it by yourself.
Why?
Look at it, like my hand to get dirty.
You don't want your hands to get dirty? You're just like your dad. It's only us eating this, so if there's eggshells in here, I won't get mad, I promise.
Yeah.
Look at my little helper. You're so good.
I never let a helper. I'm a big helper.
Oh, you're a big helper? Sorry.
Ah! Ah!
What are you doing? You're not supposed to eat that. Is it good? Look at Jayla's masterpiece. Alright, it's going in the oven. Alright, see you guys soon. I'm gonna make a volcano. So let's take this out.
Most I do that.
Who does that?
Most I.
A rooster.
Whoa. I'm melting. Melting. I'm making a cake for you, a volcano cake for you, Dad.
Really?
Yeah.
Good?
Thank you watching my.
We're gonna make lava lamps. Okay, this is all the stuff that we're using. We're just using vegetable oil, food coloring, water, and 2 glasses. Oh, and Alka-Seltzer. Alright, ready, Jayla?
Yuck, yuck, yuck.
Let's put some in here.
Yuck, yuck, yuck. Okay, can I put it now?
Let's watch what it does. Look, 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 look.
Oh.
Wow. That's so cool. Look at that. We made a lava lamp.
Oh.
Cool, huh?
Yeah. It don't look like sour and like a stubborn gummy.
Like what?
Like a sour and a stubborn gummy.
Really?
Yeah.
Look at this. There's like red bubbles in here.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
And yummy yum.
So I used canola oil for this one. We'll see if it's any different. What colors do you want to put in here?
I love it. I will do those and then I will do that.
Okay, let's do it together. Ready, set, go. Oh yeah, look, it's working.
No, this one I'm working. Look. Ooh.
What are these called, Jayla?
Lava lamp.
Lava lamps.
Oh.
This one looks like...
Mama, look like scary, like a coronavirus.
It looks like coronavirus?
Yeah.
How do you know what coronavirus looks like? You're funny.
Yeah, like crazy.
Gathered all the oil so I could throw this whole bottle away, but let's just see what's gonna happen if you put this inside. Nothing? Oh, there it goes.
Okay, Papa, my. Yeah.
Look how quick it's going to the top. Alright, thanks for watching, everyone.
Thanks for watching,